There was a stretch where my wife gave me 12 hours a week, completely free, no kids, no interruptions. And I still could not tell you if it was enough. This is the moment I realized something most working dads never say out loud, where we think we only have two choices: be the rich dad who provides well but is always tired, or be the free dad who has more time but carries the stress of not enough money. And honestly, that choice is brutal. You do not want your kids growing up with everything except you, but you also do not want to be present and also secretly panicking about bills. So the real question is not, should I choose money or time? The real question is, how do I build a life where my family gets both security and presence? Today, I want to show you what I call the presence provider triangle. 3 legs: safety, presence, ownership. And if even one is short, the whole thing tips over. Because the goal was never rich dad. It was never free dad either. The goal is present provider. Here is the trap. Most dads are stuck inside a false choice. On the one side, a rich dad path: work hard, earn well, climb higher. But the job gets your energy and your family gets what's left. On the other side, the free dad fantasy: quit, control your time, be around more. But freedom without the money handled is not peace. It's just stress in a different outfit. That is the impossible choice. Money without presence feels hollow. Presence without security feels fragile. And most working dads are quietly trying to solve that tension in the car, in the shower, at night when everyone else is asleep. You're not lazy. You're not ungrateful. You are probably just carrying two responsibilities pulling against each other. Provide well and be there. That is why the usual advice is too shallow. One side says grind harder, and the other side says quit and follow your passion. Both miss the point. A working dad does not need an escape. He needs a stool that actually stands up, one that holds money, margin, and moments all at the same time. The presence provider triangle. So let's build it. Picture a 3-legged stool. Take away one leg, and it doesn't matter how strong the other two are. The whole thing tips. Your family life works the same way. 3 legs: safety, presence, ownership. You need all 3. Not perfectly, but deliberately. First, safety. Safety means your family is not depending on hope. The bills are covered, the basics are protected, and you are not making decisions out of desperation. This is where a lot of dad business content gets dangerous. But quitting without safety is not brave. It's gambling with people you love. To calculate your safety number, you need to calculate your freedom gap. That's your essentials, plus your buffer, minus your reliable income. Add up the mortgage or rent, the food, the transport, the debt payments, and basic savings, and you've got your essential number. Add a safety buffer on top. Subtract whatever income you can already count on. What's left is your freedom gap. And pressure is a terrible business coach. It makes you rush, copy other people, and build something that does not fit your life. So before you chase freedom, define safety. Not forever, just the next layer. What number gives your family breathing room? That is leg 1. Second, presence. Presence is not being in the house. Presence is who your family gets when you are there. Remember those 12 hours my wife gave me? Let me be honest about what actually happened. She took the kids out. The house was silent. I had exactly what I said I wanted. And when she brought them home, I was still not done. Still working. Still wanting more time. Still acting like the problem was the calendar. That showed me something uncomfortable about myself. More time does not fix a life with no finish line. Work will eat every hour you give unless you decide what enough means before you begin. So presence is not about quitting corporate or working from home or having a flexible calendar. Presence means your work has a boundary, a start, an end, a definition of done. Because if your business turns you into the same absent dad your job did, you did not build freedom. You just changed the logo on the cage. Ask yourself, when you are with your family, are you actually available? Can you listen without rushing? Play without checking your phone? Sit at dinner without carrying a meeting into the room? That is presence. Your kids feel it before they can explain it. Third, ownership. This is the leg most dads miss. The rich dad path gives you income. The free dad fantasy gives you time. But ownership gives you options. Ownership means building something not fully controlled by one employer, one manager, one platform, one decision made in a room you're not in. That doesn't mean building some huge company or becoming an online character or working until midnight. For a working dad, ownership starts small. One skill you can sell, one clear group of people solving one real problem. Because real wealth was never just the paycheck for your time. It's the thing that keeps earning after you've stopped clocking in. That is where pressure starts to change. The moment you make your first dollar outside your salary, something shifts. Not because the money is huge, but because the story changes. That is the shift from provider to producer. You're not just trading hours anymore, you're building something that holds value on its own. Once you have all three legs, the choice changes. It's no longer rich dad or free dad. It becomes, how do I build safety without losing presence? Presence without losing ambition. Ambition without risking my family. That's the real game. Quick gut check. Comment right now. Safety, presence, or ownership. Which leg is shortest for you? One word is enough. Here's the takeaway. Being rich is not enough if your kids only get the tired version of you. Being free is not enough if your family feels financially exposed. That is why I don't believe the answer is rich dad or free dad. I think that the whole question is broken. The better aim is present provider, a dad who protects the family financially, stays emotionally available at home, and builds ownership slowly enough that the family never becomes collateral damage. And look, this is not easy. The corporate path gives you a clean story. Keep earning, keep climbing, keep providing. The freedom path gives you another clean story. Quit, build, escape. But real fatherhood is not that clean. You have people depending on you, a partner who needs to trust the plan, and kids who need your presence now, not only when the business works. This is why this has to be built properly. Safety, presence, ownership, the present provider triangle. And once you see it, you stop asking, should I choose money or time? You start asking, what's the next move that gives my family more safety, more presence, and more ownership? That question protects you from panic, from ego, and from your family becoming the price of your ambition. So here's your move this week. Take 10 minutes, draw a 3-legged stool on a page, label each leg safety, presence, ownership. Score each one out of 10. Don't overthink it. Just be honest. The lowest score is not a failure. It's your next move. That is how you stop living inside the impossible choice. Not rich dad, not free dad overnight, just a present provider, one honest leg at a time. The same way I had to admit those 12 free hours weren't the fix I thought they'd be. In the next video, we look at why your corporate salary feels safe, but may actually be the trap keeping your family exposed.